So we are now on the way to see the Shard. The Shard is a 72-story skyscraper. The Shard is the tallest building in the United Kingdom and the 7th tallest building in Europe. It is also the second tallest freestanding structure in the United Kingdom, after the concrete tower of the Emily Moore transmitting station. So after seeing the Shard, we went on to the bridge, the London Bridge, and also the Tower Bridge, and it is so beautiful up there. And I must say we really had a great time. So took a couple of pictures, and yeah. So I really wanted to maximize my experience in London. So I and my friend decided to go on a boat cruise. And we went with Uber boat, and it was so amazing. It felt really good, and imagine the views of all those skyscrapers and all those bridges, and yeah, I must say we really had a good time. So I advise you to take a boat cruise whenever you visit London, because during the boat cruise you'll be able to see all those beautiful views. You'll be able to see the Shard and also the London Eye, and yeah, it feels so good. So I could not even remain seated. I had to stand up to just see those views properly, because I felt like in a sitting position I just cannot even take proper videos, and yeah, it is just surreal, guys. It is surreal, like wow. So the bridges are so many, I did not even get time to like find out or do proper research on their names and the history behind them. So anyways, I was just enjoying the moment. I also got a chance to come as close as possible to the London Clock Tower, a very, very beautiful landmark. So thank you for watching. See you next time.